What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add friends from Crossplay in NBA 2K26. So it's really easy. First of all, we need to make sure that Crossplay is turned on in our game settings, and to do that go to features, then open settings and scroll down to the bottom and you will find Crossplay option. Just make sure that it's on. Now inside your game just press LB and RB together on Xbox or L1 and R1 together on PlayStation. Then this will open the social menu. From here we need to tell our friend that he need to have in-game invites and friend request enabled in his game. So we can just go to the options tab by pressing R1 or RB, and from here he need to set in-game invites and friend request set to open to all. Now we need to go to the friends tab and from here search for your friend's ID. So let's say his ID is this one, then I can just search that here. Now you can see I have got 3 IDs here. I can just select my friend's ID from here and I can just send him a friend request like so. Now your friend can go to the notifications tab and from here he can accept your invite, and once he accepts it you will be able to play together or play against each other wherever you want. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.